Today we are going to watch a video with instrumentalists. I would recommend a screen minimum this kind of size or even bigger, because this is what we have to show to our kids. What we are showing has to be big. This is why I don't recommend a phone for showing for especially small kids, okay? How I'm going to use it? I already downloaded video to my computer. This is why I'm going to start playing the video on the computer. If you want to use our syllabus, as you see, you have a button, green button with video too, where you can click and you will have this video, but it's good if you are connected phone with the screen, that be by Bluetooth, or maybe there are other ways, you know probably more than me. So what is important about these 5 instrumentalists? Before the playing, we have a name, that this is flutist, that this is pianist, etc., etc. So please read it loud, so your child can listen to it. I am very grateful for our students from Poland who did recording for us, and I'm also very grateful for our graphic designer, Ania. She got an amazing idea, because on the cards you will see exactly the same people from our video. So later, when we are doing output, we can work with a real instrumentalist with our child, okay? The last thing I would like to mention, because the video is recorded just in one order of this instrumentalist, I would suggest prepare the cards already with this order. But where you can get information about this order, I'm going to tell you, is everything in the syllabus. Under step 3, activity 2, you have musical instruments, and you have how to recognize instruments, and then we have flute, classical guitar, grand piano, violin, snare, drum. This is the order we are using during the video, so you have a hint, you can use it. And I also should say that we like to use name grand piano, because the piano could be also upright piano, but what we are showing is always grand piano. Also snare drum, we have a lot of drum instruments, so snare drum is exactly the specific one, okay? And also we have a lot of guitars, but this one, which we are going to hear and see, is a classical guitar. This is why it's good to mention the full name of the instrument for child when we are talking about it. There is no problem with instrumentalists, because it will be just guitarist, pianist, and drummer. Okay, I think we are ready. As you see, we are ready, definitely. Okay, so let's start. Watch our instrumentalists. Hey, look what I have for you. Look and hear the flutist. Now is a guitarist. What is this saying? Pianist. Violinist. And the last one is a drummer. Wow! Amazing instrumentalist. Very good. Can you please choose 2 cards? This one. Yes. Very good. So now show me. I'm sorry, you have to be like this. Show me a drummer. This is the drummer. Okay, so that's it. It's very simple. We are getting used to the image and to the way of playing instruments and to the sound of the instrument. So actually kids, they love this activity. Ready?
Ready?
Caroline, I'm waiting for you. Boom! Flautist. Guitarist. Pianist. That's me. Violinist. Drummer. Excellent. Can you choose one card?
Mm-hmm.
Can you choose one card? Just one.
There we
Can
go.
you choose one? Okay. Guys, good night.
Thank you.
So, show me violinist. Which one is playing? Who is playing on the violin? This is guitarist. Where is violinist? This is drummer. What about this? Exactly.
Yes.
This is violinist. Bravo. Very good. Thank you. Good job. Thank you so much.